Ouch Palang Show. We say a big Bulbanaka Provincial Society. To the hospital, to the staff of every hospital around the country, we say Binaka, Kaki became in a body bully, the body matin in Davon, in Davon, Mati, and the people in Bulaka Sara, and on the Bonu and Matanico. To all the boys in Nangara on in Kandavu.
Oh, Chiki! We still on the Chiki now phone. I would like to say good morning to the village of Mbulia.
Mbulia, I die there.
One day we will go to Mbulia.
Yes. The same to the Kilikinto, eh?
Yo.
Kuno lang kataka ya.
If we go, we should take Motoloa.
Yeah, okay, Julum. We should take Motoloa there.
Yeah.
Because Motoloa is a transform of this earth. Libre mo sala ko ba?
Right.
Sa matutuwi ko na sisi.
Right.
Sisi
ko rin na po sa. To all the drivers tuning this morning and to all the passengers, we say Arvinaka, and to all the students who have been playing games. Naitutok ba po namin ni Stani Bulis sa kanabisa na kaya date? Still confirm the dates for the Coca-Cola games na Muani Bulango and Dagakina. Na shot libugo na Coca-Cola games.
Right, just tips for students this morning in Coca-Cola games.
Yeah.
It is important to manage your time wisely.
Right,
study a little every day, not everything in one day. Balanced study. Students are also preparing for their end-term examination.
Pomodoro technique.
Huh?
Pomodoro technique.
Yeah, Pomodoro
technique.
Short
session.
Right.
Okay, this is
right.
Okay, the Messi. Nadama ng bimbi kina idaka ni Masi.
The Masi.
Yes.
The Masi is a plant.
Right.
Quando na bunikaw. It's like when you see some of us we never seen the bunimasi. The bunimasi is like the bunibao.
Right.
Tumbuan robu. You take that one, you come, you remove the skin, and you come, you smack on a wood. Ito na kaya na isa munimas.
Right.
Para kukuha. So you put one down and one on the hand. Sangkin to samuta to ka na mas.
Right.
From there, the mas will elaborate. Sanangay ramba-ramba.
Naman ka naman ba lagi?
Elaborate. Sanangay ramba.
Right.
Sanangay ramba, medo pa saranga ni sa ramba ko na kaniriray.
Right.
Kandan to do rin tiko na basing ni sa andaw da kamay.
Alright.
Mukuta tiko mo samuta.
Right.
Samu. Sanangay misangay tete.
Right.
Ramba binakasar nga. Then you see that's a kind of the mash.
Okay, what?
Na siyapo.
Yeah.
Sapo.
Siyapo. May tonga na ngatu.
Ngatu yo.
Totoo ka?
Sapo ngatu.
Sapo.
Saan natin tinyadan? Rebilo.
Lambilo. Lambilo of Angona is coming from the mbilo of the coconut.
Right.
So the coconut. If you want your mbilo ni Angona to be blackish in color,
right?
You put into the lolombo.
Right.
The lolombo in the vechiri-chiri.
Right.
Napuno etukin na lolombo loa. You put it there for 5 days.
Right.
Makataka na puno ya. So after 5 days, then you take it back. So the color will be changed into black. And pinakatabali ang Luciana Lesia all the way from Wenrandra this morning.
Usaya, yan na
Make them heavy,
Right.
mendaumbi and long life.
Right.
Hardwood. Some they use for the sabay.
Right.
The sabay quality.
What is the main purpose of that iwaw?
May iwaw mo daw mo kikinano. Iyo. Most of our ancestors, they use it for this when somebody are close to them in meetings.
So the close contact.
Close contact.
Yeah.
Right. They built it from the soil.
Right.
Nangele. But
Dandreta,
the kandamu. The ngelendamu.
Right.
You coming for they build it from there and they dry it.
Right.
Dry it, they put another condensed
milk.
May bakaw overblast. Motowesi this and one is ramba.
Okay.
The motowesi, they mostly they use the dona bunika ubakato na new.
Right.
Usau oily. They use it in the forest.
New Sawa.
Yeah, it's like the new Sawa.
Right.
We got the name in the Wainunu side.
Sagiwa.
They use it for the make-a-wish.
Yeah.
Make nila sar tu me ko ni kila na na.
Yeah.
Au sa ngule na na kim to mata me na koro. For the make-a-wish.
Yeah.
They use it for the make-a-wish.
Yeah.
Yeah, that kind of motto.
Right. Na kuta.
The kuta is a plant.
Okay.
When the tumbo pakalibo, they mostly in the wet place.
Iyo.
Right.
They plant it in the wet place. Baka napuno rin daw tumbo pakalibo kina raisi.
Yeah.
That kind of place we use for the kuta. They begin daw tumbo pakalibo talaga na olive.
Iyo.
But they don't have the leaves. Baka tolo na nga like the para.
Oh.
Iyo.
Yeah, like the para ko tumbuan
Smooth
rubungan.
one.
Okay.
Smooth one, the
Yeah.
long one.
Right.
So that we coming and dry it.
Yeah.
After dry, then we use for the tali-tali.
Wana na. Ay dula
Box.
Iyo.
Gona naidula
Yeah.
daw tikera mo sa may way nuno naisanga.
O naisanga.
Ah.
Iyo.
Naisanga. This is for
Modulakin na sanga mo.
Dula na sanga na meta para may tulo na ngapangal.
So
Yeah.
Messi uses the duli sanga to dulai sanga.
Usip pati di betul ko makasama tatungan ko na kanime kewes. Kona ni moto ya.
Buni sawa.
Ni sawa?
Iya, sana kau kalalai.
Iyo.
Au kilatsi na kau ni minta
Ayo.
sigara kali kwa. Dada kina na moto wesi. Dore ribi na kavikim nendo kanta.
Balaka when you go to the forest.
Iyo.
Right.
Baka tuna wuning niwo ko ya, but
Iyo.
they are very tall and ni sangka sibila katuna mbala kali.
Iyo.
O ndo baka taytala mo rin kaki na buwaka.
Iyo.
Ngoni baka sa
Sandi na.
Kako.
Right.
Bro, ay sa kweta na good morning.
Na saud sina iri saud sina na ayula.
Naiula is in the tension. If anybody don't see the tension,
Right.
that's where the Naiula is.
Right.
They use it too for the weapon.
Iyo.
Right.
During the war.
Iyo.
They use it for the weapon. Close gap too.
Iyo.
Do baka tayo bali close contact.
Iyo.
Naiula.
Wana.
Very heavy.
Do chigo rin no?
Na imbo.
Imbo.
The imbo we use in the grog.
Right?
Right.
Use in the grog when the visitors the arrival.
Yeah.
Right.
Now we use some of the plastic bag.
Right.
Now some they use
Shopping bag.
the shopping bag. Train, eh?
Yeah.
Right.
Daw mga tagbali bukin na imbo.
Right.
Kali.
Kali is when you leave the breast.
One small baby. He's detached from the breast. Nakano bito sa loko-loko. Ano makasama mo ko na sudo.
Naikali.
Wala.
Totolo nga na daw imay na.
Kung itarang chicken ko na kada ikali ko na kanilolo.
Naikali ko to ba kali kina na.
Wey, lali.
Doyan rayar na kay Lestinay Tukana, matayasin tambe, aminia si Vito.
Iya.
Tupo po niya sana. Sama mo limay na niya non dera raw.
Oi.
Yan rabinaka. Bualiko. Amena Junior, yan rabinaka, yan malambi, yan rabinuka.
So, odi ko. Oi, entamo na Korea.
Bualiko.
Bina boleh besar Vito akan mai. Pokoknya bina akan buning garam ramatina. Bina boleh besar nang karabitawi. Per lomani pokoknya bina lebentan ta pabuli dir na bikang atu dormen ta pabuli dir kina. Na pabuli dina tu donu sapa dir nang kasimai. Era wara ningai tan mai kina. Kalau kau cionan ta bunan ni sibina ni kuah, maka kira nomoni mata bubala dunduan. Gua kurmundu.
El no